Welcome to Snowflake Summit 2023. My name is Kelly Huang, Product Marketing Manager for Cybersecurity at Snowflake. Today we're here at the Data Heroes Hub, and I'm so delighted to have Tom Milner, Director of Engineering at Tenable, here with me today. Tom, how are you?
I'm good, Kelly. How are you?
Great. Can you give us an introduction of yourself, your company, and some background?
Yeah, so my name is Tom Milner, Director of Data Engineering with Tenable, based in Dublin, Ireland, and we have the data engineering team mainly based out of there, but a global company. Been working with data for about 25 years now, and it doesn't stop, it keeps moving, keeps getting better, and it's driving forward. So, as I said, Tenable is the world's leading vulnerability management company. We allow customers to bring their data to our platform, run our analytics on top of it, and give them an overview of their exposure management and how they can help and manage it and reduce the risk.
Awesome. I know Tenable is a house brand name in cybersecurity, and you guys have tons of customers. I would love to know what you guys are doing with Snowflake.
So we've built a platform on top of Snowflake, so that data ingestion that I talked about for our customers to bring that data in, that all goes into Snowflake. And then we take that data and we compute analytics on top of it. We give back scores and exposure scores back to our customers. We allow them to highlight the areas where their risk is most, where they need to focus on the risk, where they can fix that risk, and how they can manage their overall exposure management. So, and we get data from lots of different sources, and we want to allow customers basically unsilo the data, like Frank Slootman said on Tuesday. They want to unsilo the data, bring all their data into one place, get a holistic view of their exposures.
I would love to know about kind of the innovative roadmap that you guys have with Tenable moving forward with Snowflake.
Yeah, it's the features. It's amazing this week, and every week, every month, there's always more stuff coming out. So, yeah, we want to leverage hybrid tables. We launched a new sensor this week to bring in Azure AD data for customers to bring the Azure AD data into our platform. And we're using Snowpark to compute asset criticality scores based on that data that our customers share with us. And that allows them to focus on, so Azure AD, their identities. So let's find the most valuable people in the company, the most people who could, need to be protected the most and need to be and where they can do what they can do and with the rest of the company. So having those scores really helps customers to kind of manage their risk, focus on where they need to be.
So it sounds like Snowflake is helping you guys break down data silos, giving you guys features to build more innovative products for your customers to protect their organizations.
Absolutely, yeah. And the fact that it's a managed platform, I would say it's almost serverless, allows us to focus just on the business logic. We don't have to worry about infrastructure, scaling, elasticity, anything. Snowflake does that for us and allows me and my team to just keep the focus, delivering features for our customers, helping our internal developers to move forward and deliver more and more features. So.
I love that. Can you tell me a little bit more about Tenable One and what are some of the customer benefits?
So Tenable One is our, I would say, marquee feature. It went GA last October. It was our initial product with Snowflake, so to leverage the power of the Snowflake platform. And that allows customers to send data from multiple different sources. So their cloud assets, their identity assets, their servers, their laptops, their EC2 instances, all of that coming into a single place where we can give customers, CISOs, like top-level execs, the view on their exposure that they can, and work with their teams then internally to kind of go, right, who's taking care of cloud exposure, who's taking care of your vulnerability management. So it gives as I said, the top-level execs that overview of what they have. It also allows them to benchmark themselves against other companies in the space. So we find customers really find that really valuable. So the fact that we have data, customers from lots of different industries share their data with us. We're able to benchmark that, obviously anonymously. There's no sharing of who's who, but it is a real powerful feature for customers to be able. There'll always be risk, there will always be that risk, and customers want to reduce that risk and know where they sit in terms of the rest of the industry. So.
Yep, and having a unified view and just having visibility across, your entire environment is really important. And you guys are bringing that to customers today with Snowflake as your backend.
Yep.
That's awesome. I would love to know, what do you think about the future of cybersecurity? Where is that headed?
So it's all about the data. It's all about breaking down the silos, not just within Tenable and the different sensors that we have, but allowing customers to bring more data from different cybersecurity vendors. That's where I see the part, enthusiasm here for data, like breaking down the silos, talking to other vendors here, cybersecurity vendors here at the summit. For me, the future is working together with those vendors and allowing customers to bring their data. It's their data, it's not our data. Bring their data where they need it to be to get the analytics that they want. So whether that's bringing it from Tenable to somewhere else, or obviously we prefer for them to share it with us, but we could want to work together. And look, maybe a cybersecurity data cloud is on the cards, and that will be a good thing to work for. I think it'll be really, really powerful and beneficial for our customers, to have that and try and build a standard. The problem is there's lots of different data out there. It's in different structures and different formats, so that slows our customers down. If we can come with some kind of standard or some way that we can share the data, easily for our customers, that's just going to accelerate reducing customers' risk, accelerate them to manage what they're doing, and make it a more secure place, make it better. So.
Yeah, like you said, cybersecurity is a data problem.
Absolutely.
And we need to solve that really by having a scalable data platform to support products like Tenable One.
Yeah, and the more data we can get in, the better. And Snowflake, it's unlimited, so the amount of data we can have. So.
Awesome. And any learnings or tips for your peers in cybersecurity or engineering or product?
Oh, so many. So I'm a Snowflake data superhero. I produce content in terms of blogs and run meetups and stuff like that. So trying to evangelize and share the good news on Snowflake and what it can do. So just the features, keep up to date, try them out as they're coming in, try and opt into private previews if you can, get ahead of the curve, see what's coming out there, try and leverage those features like container services and native apps this week, like the potential, the possibilities there. Investigate that, look into it, see what you can do, build products for your customers, leverage that. So.
Yeah, we're so excited about the future. Last question for you, favorite experience at Summit so far?
Oh man, there's been so many. I guess the opening keynote on Monday evening with Henson Young and Frank Slootman, that was brilliant, like the vision there, you can see that happening. But I guess I'd have to say, so we were made Cybersecurity Partner of the Year, so receiving that award, Glenn Penley received it there on Tuesday, that's a high point for us and just shows the commitment and the partnership we have together and where we're going to go from there. So I'll go with that one as a highlight, but there is so many. It's a roller coaster.
That's a great highlight. Well, thank you, Tom, for chatting with me today, and thank you for tuning in.
Thank you, Kelly.